Thinking about your love story, it's clear to me that Brian and Soinneah are people you can always count on. They invest deeply into close relationships and take marriage and partnerships very seriously. Both deserve to have found someone as special as each other.
Soinneah, writing down notes from my vows, so many amazing memories came to mind. I would jot them down quickly over the last year and then get lost in a specific memory that popped into my head, remembering every specific detail. The moment I asked you to be my girlfriend and the flashes to what this very moment would feel like today. I probably visualized this 1,000 times. Those first few dates, like our dates now, were filled with so much conversation, new places, dancing. But what first made me fall in love with you, I've told you many times it was outside of Cashmere's, but I think it might have been a little bit earlier.
Brian, on March 3rd, 2017, in Scottsdale, Arizona, us two crazy kids found love in a hopeless place. What seemingly looks like an unassuming bar in Old Town, where kids in their 20s gotta forget their weeks, you and I locked eyes in a crappy corner at Bevy. What was supposed to be another Friday night out with friends turned into the beginning of the rest of our lives. I was immediately drawn to your stunning grit, infectious energy, and bigger-than-life personality.
Oh my God. Amazing, right?
I know. Along this journey together, I've reflected countlessly on the reasons why I love you. You look at me and love me so fiercely that I never imagined what this feeling could be like. Most importantly, your kindness and care towards others around you is staggering. People say your partner should be someone who respects and cares for their family and friends.
Looking back at the last 7 years, it's been a wild ride. Both of you have had countless adventures together. Eagles games in Philly, jet skiing in Thailand, family trips to Albuquerque, hiking in Joshua Tree, F1 racing in Mexico, and of course, visiting your coolest friends in San Francisco. Both of you have experienced many parts of growing up together. Moving to San Diego, parenting your son Hudson, starting new careers, and getting engaged in La Jolla. And now, both of you are taking the next step in life together. Getting married here in front of all of us while in Kauai, Hawaii. You two are lifelong partners, building your future as one. And the best part, this is just the beginning.
I promised Soinneah to be here through the good times and the bad times. We've been tested before, and I know our foundation is so strong. We will get through everything that life throws at us, because it will throw things at us. And I know with you, whatever life gives out, we can and will get through it together. And finally, as you may recall, you said something very early on in our relationship that I promised you too. I will be there for anything, ever, and I love you so much.
I love the man you are. I love the person I am because of you. I love how you make me feel like I'm the only one in the room and that you look at me the same way as you did when we first met. I promise to support you through all of life's ups and downs, together as your love and best friend. I promise to always trust you, love you, and be there for you, and I promise to choose you always. Thank you for putting up with me and my hanger. Thank you for coming into my life and changing it for a lifetime. Thank you for showing me what love should feel and look like. And thank you for loving me and choosing me now, today, and forever. I love you so much, gorgeous, and I can't wait for the rest of our lives together.
love you so much. Oh shit.
Even when my wife and I got engaged, I told her, just don't write, I'm marrying my best friend. And she asked, why is that too cheesy? And I said, no, because Soinneah is my best friend. Brian, I don't love you by default because I didn't like the others. I love you because you are Brian. You make my sister happy. You make her feel loved. You make her feel supported.
It's your friends, it's your neighbors, all these folks here. Apparently it's the guy who works at the front desk. And now it's the entire island of Kauai. We're incredibly honored to be a part of this community. We'll be here to support and love you all the way. We're so excited for you. We can't wait to see what's next. Cheers to Soinneah and Brian.
Like Soinneah's iced coffee, I hope your love and adventures are never finished. To Soinneah and Brian, let's go!